Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to log into another Roblox account quickly and easily. First of all, open the Roblox app that's already installed on your device. If you are currently logged into an account, you need to log out first. To do this, tap the three-dot menu at the bottom right corner, scroll all the way down and select Logout. Confirm it when asked and you will be taken back to the login screen. Next, once you are on the login screen, you will see two options, one for sign in and another for create account. Tap on sign in. Now, enter the username and password of the other Roblox account that you want to access. Make sure you type the credentials correctly to avoid any login errors. After entering the login details, tap the sign in button. And just like that, you will be signed into the other Roblox account. From here, you can start playing games, customizing your avatar, or doing anything else just like you would on your main account. If you want to switch back to your original account later, simply log out again and repeat the same steps with the login details of your first account. And that's it. Now you know how to log into another Roblox account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. And make sure to tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.